Hey, I'm Casey, and this is my life. So, when I was younger, my mom told me I had powers, and I never knew how to use them. Well, 3 days later, my parents died in a car crash. Now I just live by myself, in the woods, alone. I used to live with my aunt until she went crazy and was put in a mental hospital. Casey, hurry, come with us while you can. Casey, they're coming for you. You have to leave right now if you want to still be alive. What a weird dream.
I hid my secrets in a hard box. I did exactly what you said, and now I'm feeling so much better, 'cause you made me forget. So tell me when you run, I wanna run with you. Tell me where you hide, I wanna come to you.
What are those people? And what do they mean? I guess that means I better leave. Come on in, guys. She's gone. Looks like the other weirdos already came and got her. Well, it will be easier to find them now that she's with them.